Good morning, I am Antonio Novellino, the coordinator of the European Marine Observation Data Network Physics Thematic project, and in the next 5 minutes or so I'm going to present you briefly the Arctic Data Portal, that is a joint initiative between the Modern Physics, EuroGOOS and the Institute of the Copernicus Marine Environmental Monitoring System. EuroGOOS is the European component of the Global Ocean Observing System of the Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission of UNESCO. EuroGOOS and its 44 members identify priorities, enhance cooperation, and promote the benefits of operational oceanography to ensure sustained observation are made in Europe and fit for purpose of the end users. The European Marine Observation Data Network, EMODnet, is a long-term program that supports the coordination of the European network of marine organizations. These organizations work together to observe the sea, process the data according to international standards, and make that information freely available as interoperable data layers and data products. This collect once and use many times philosophy benefits all marine data users, including policymakers, scientists, private industry, and the public. EMODnet provides access to European marine data across 7 discipline-based teams, plus a cross-thematic ingestion platform to ease the streamlining of data towards common and well-developed repositories. Modern physics is the thematic component that organizes the access to ocean physics parameters as collected by Situ operational platform and research campaigns. Then Situ is the thematic assembly center of the Copernicus Marine Environmental Monitoring System program that collects, qualify, harmonize, and organize the operational near real-time data flow of the in-situ platforms to support Copernicus marine forecast centers and the Copernicus users. These actors are linked, involve, and collaborate with other marine data infrastructure and initiatives such as the CMEMS network of National Geographic Data Centers, the International Council for the Exploration of the Sea, ICES, PANGEM, and many others. And together, during an Inter's project roundtable, agreed to set up the Arctic Data Portal. How it works? From a back-end point of view, we have several programs and platform networks collecting data. This data may follow multiple paths while transmitted, processed, assembled, validated, and published. Usually, at the end of this process, the data is available at least into one of the data integrator infrastructure. These infrastructures usually provide a high level of data harmonization and standardization, as well as tools to facilitate a machine-to-machine interoperability. At this level, Modern Physics implements a federation process and links and harvests metadata and data to populate the metadata data managing tools that serve as a back-end office service for the Arctic Data Portal. More specifically, we have a combination of AirDAP, NC, WMS, GeoServer, and APIs that implements WMS, WFS, web REST features to present information and allow the user to interact, plot, and download data. But more than many words, I'd like to present you the outcome of this joint effort, and I'd like to invite you to have a look at the data portal that we made available, that is available at Arctic Modern Physics. You have the link in the slide, and provide us with feedback and suggestions in order to improve it. The portal is providing filtering tools for defining the time period, the platform type, the parameters, the depth of the recording, and all other information. Here we can see how the user can select and refine the selection by applying, for example, parameters selection. Then we see many platforms. For example, here I'm selecting Argo, and the system reacts by showing the identified subset of the platforms. Then, for each platform, a platform page which presents metadata and data has been developed. Here, for example, we are looking at an example for the Argo. On the left side of the panel, you have all the metadata, so you have the providers, the different integrating facilities that have contributed to make this data available. Then you have the root of the system of the platform. You have temperature and salinity files, and then you can see that from that platform, that page, you can easily download the data. The system is also offering some APIs. In fact, on the right part of the panel, you can see how to call back, for example, a widget, and then interact with the different profiles that have been recorded by the platform. These and many other features are available in the system. You can access them by interacting with the data portal, the platform pages, and the different services that have been implemented behind the system, AirDAP, GeoServer, and so on. And if you want to join the initiative and help us to make your data findable, accessible, interoperable, and usable, please contact us. With this, I would like to thank you for your attention.